Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Alpha Vantage. Alpha Vantage offers a robust set of free application programming interfaces, or APIs, providing real-time and historical financial market data. This powerful tool allows developers and data enthusiasts to access a wide range of information, including stock prices, foreign exchange rates, and cryptocurrency data. You can seamlessly integrate this valuable data into your own applications, trading algorithms, or analytical platforms, making it an essential resource for financial data needs. To begin your journey with Alpha Vantage, your first step is to obtain a unique API key. This key is absolutely free and serves as your personal identifier, authenticating all your data requests. Simply visit the Alpha Vantage website and complete a quick registration process to receive your key. Remember, this key is crucial for accessing their extensive financial data, so keep it secure and confidential to ensure uninterrupted service and data integrity. Once you have your API key, you are ready to make your first data request. Alpha Vantage APIs are accessed via simple HTTP GET requests. You will construct a URL that includes the desired function, such as time series daily, the financial symbol you are interested in, and your unique API key. For instance, you could request the daily stock prices for a company like IBM, receiving comprehensive data in a straightforward format. After making your API call, Alpha Vantage will return the requested financial data, typically in either JSON or CSV format. For most programmatic uses, JSON is preferred due to its structured nature. You will then need to parse this data to extract the specific metrics you require, such as the opening price, highest price, lowest price, closing price, and trading volume for a given period. Understanding this output is key to leveraging the data effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.